3,500 times, and it has it's been a fantastic resource for his community, and it's been very very functional. And he's generated sponsorship. There's sponsors who sponsor the app, and that keeps it running. So it's well sponsored, it's well funded, and it's an amazing app. I'm going to demonstrate it for you as well. Um, so that was my idea. Like I had no idea that these other things were happening. I knew like they have been done in the past in various communities. In fact, my developers have got examples of apps. I will show you some of those examples. Let me just find it. So this is where I was getting my sort of inspiration from. This was another community app that was developed for a place called Middleburg, and this also looks like a really good app. There's nothing wrong with this. I think it's really really cool. Just to have this available in the community is um, a fantastic resource. So you could go here, and then it's got Join Middleburg, a community resource directory. And then you've got your shops and restaurants and guides, wine, coffee, services. So you've got a little directory there. And then you've got a link to business organizations. You've got all different business organizations there. And then you've got the associations. And then you've got churches. Obviously very religious out there. Then you've got entertainment, so you've got all the different entertainment things that are happening in the community. And then you've got inquiries. So you can email a friend, you can notifications, you've got news, you've got the website. So that's a really cool app. And that's sort of what we're drawing our sort of inspiration from. And so let's go back to the Forest Row app. So this is the Forest Row app. The main screen at the moment looks like this. I'm personally not very happy with the design. I I'm going to change it. It's going to this is just like first version, beta version. I'm going to come back to this and get all this redesigned. Um, but if we click on, like, for example, upcoming events, so it takes us to event calendar. The other thing we're going to do on here is we're going to have all the events listed out, so it can take them directly um, to the websites. So that's going to sort of change a bit, but basically we'll have events. Then we've got a link there to like news, and this will be, it won't be like really, let's just see if we click on one of these. So those are news, and you've got some news with information. We can actually add sort of pictures and stuff on here and make it quite, and then you can share it as well. So you've got a share button, you've got a star button, so you can star it. Okay, so that's news. And then we've got Magic Makers. Magic Makers is our link to people that are sponsoring the app. Okay. People who are visiting the area, so that they can get information on things that are happening and the best things to do in Forest Row. We've also got a gallery page, so a gallery page of pictures of Forest Row. Contact us. So this is yeah. So that'll be like a contact us page with contact details, feedback. Okay, where you'll actually be able to give feedback on the app, updates, etc. There's just like a basically just a Google form. And then we've got discounts and special offers, which doesn't work right now. We've got about us, also doesn't work right now. And then we've got share app. So share app, you just share it with a QR code, or you can share via, just a share button. So that's the first version, beta. So don't be too critical. It's not going to look like this, and it's going to be far more functional. And also, it's a bit slow right now, and that's because it's on a website. It's not actually in the App Store, so you can't really download it right now. This is just really the very first version, demo type version. So the other thing I wanted to show you was another app that I'm also drawing inspiration from. And let's see if I can get this app out. It's downtown Lynchburg. Okay, here we go. So this is very cool. So this is another excuse me. This is another app, and on this one you can click on do business, you can click on live here, you can click on visit. If you click on more, they've got buy, about us, blog, donate, volunteer, events, projects and programs, staff and board, contact us, connect with us, and tell a friend. So if we take a look at buy, so here you can actually buy, I guess, some merchandise on based on the village or the town. About us. This is a nice, I guess, also a really good section as well, if it comes up. So Downtown Lynchburg Association, just give some more, the mission, the core values, some of the sponsors, and some more information about them. So this is quite a cool app. This is quite functional, it seems. It looks quite good. It's got events on there. So if you just imagine like all the events for Forest Row being on this one place, giving you the date and the